Hello, welcome to this short video on how to pull unemployment rate. Hello, welcome to this short video on how to pull the population figure for Nigeria, going as far back as like decades into Excel. Okay, so it's very simple and straightforward. You click on Insert menu on your Excel 2016 and you click on Get Headings. You type Nigeria market data and you click on add. I've already installed it, but once you click on add, it will install in your own Microsoft Excel and you'll find it under the home menu, and you click on Nigerian market data and the add-in will launch. You see there's a whole bunch of very useful features and tools. The one I want to take you through is the population one. You click on any empty cell in your Excel sheet and you click on population, and instantly it brings out the population figure. It's at the year end, yearly, for Nigeria, going as far back as 1980. So that's how it works. Thank you.